Hi, welcome to another caring concept video. Have you been trying to change your single status? Have you been going on a lot of dates recently? Or were you afraid to go on any dates at all? Do you want to know what is keeping you single and out of a relationship? Knowing the reasons behind your failures can get you one step closer to success. Here's 10 reasons why you cannot start dating. But before, make sure to subscribe to our channel to see more of our animated educational videos. Number 1. You're afraid to lose connection with your friends and family. Having a relationship takes time and attention. You might be afraid of your family and friends fading away. But there's nothing to be afraid of. A healthy relationship doesn't take all of our time, and you will still have time to spend with your loved ones. You might even enjoy adding your partner to some of your meetings. Number 2. You're still not over your ex. Moving on from someone can be hard at times. You might start dating before you get over your ex. That way, you'll sign up yourself for a toxic relationship when you still have someone in your heart. You might start comparing your new partner with them. It's better to take some time to move on from your ex before you start with someone else. Number 3. You have low self-esteem. Dealing with low self-esteem here and there is completely normal, but if it's constant, it can sabotage your relationship. You might hide certain things about yourself and your life because you're afraid they'll figure out you're not good enough. With rejecting yourself, you'll never know what could happen. Number 4. You think you lose your independency. If you're a fully independent person, you might think being in a relationship takes your independency away, or you feel afraid to depend on someone. Being independent makes every relationship more healthy and fun, and you share your happiness with someone you care about. Number 5. You don't believe love can work. If you have been hurt before once or twice, or you have bad memories of your parents' relationship, you might have turned pessimist towards love, and until you change your perspective, you can't give your partner a chance. You're already counting on ending the relationship, so you slowly move towards it. Number 6. You have high expectations. Being a perfectionist in choosing your partner can leave you single. Social media has increased our expectations from our partner regarding the fact that not everything is as we see, and a lot of people show their best and hide the rest in social media. Our partner is never gonna be perfect, but there is nothing wrong with that. Number 7. You're afraid of rejection. Hearing no or being dumped is not so easy and might hurt our confidence for a while, especially for someone with abandonment issues. This insecurity can stop us from liking someone or make us leave someone before they decide if they're interested. This fear comes from being neglected or abandoned in our past. Number 8. Commitment issues. You might think having multiple options and exploring is better than committing to only one person. Or you could be afraid of missing out on someone better. But it has been proven having high quality and close relationship with only one partner makes your life happier than having multiple potential partners. Number 9. You have trust issues. Having experienced being cheated on or lied to can leave scars that last for a long time. Even through your next relationship, you might see everything as a red flag or a sign that they aren't fully honest. You might not be correct every time and sabotage your relationship. Number 10. You're afraid to change. Love comes with sacrifices. Sometimes you need to make some changes for your partner. For example, you might like to play games 2 hours a day, and your partner needs more of your time. So you could play games 1 hour a day and spend more of your time with your partner. The thought of changing yourself for someone else might be scary, so you might give up on the relationship. Did you find any of this relatable? Do you know anyone that could benefit from this? please do share it with them. Thank you for being here, and I hope to see you in the next video.